Okay, always trying to keep it short. Your magnetic field is all the way out here. This illustrates it. Okay? You can see your ampacity, your voltage. And when I join these two, it's going to increase. We got rid of the stopping problem, shorting out. Now it doesn't short out. But also look at the voltage. It goes up, 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 up to almost 17. Okay, that's two. Light that back up. The washing machine motor I cut in half. That's what made these. Two of them was not necessary. One did just fine. That's what I ended up figuring out. What else? Oh, if you want to see amps, we're at almost 3.5, using less than 50 milliamps. I could run it all day long. Okay.